In this demo, we are going to discuss about branches and how it works. Branches are a fundamental component of Cartify, serving as the backbone of its functionality. Cartify is designed to be an AI assistant for both small and chain supermarkets, aiding in management and organization. Each branch within Cartify embraces various elements such as users, warehouses, and checkouts, making it an integral part of the system's structure and efficiency. Information and analysis regarding branches will be accessible to provide detailed insights into each branch. This feature will be covered in Warehouse section. Now, let's proceed to add a new branch. You'll notice that branch locations can be selected directly on the map. This feature enables supermarkets to access detailed information and status updates, facilitating analysis and decision-making through geographic visualization. Furthermore, this information will help Cartify AI's algorithm to get more information and train data better. Now, let's add more branches to enhance the system's functionality and effectively showcase all the features of Cartify in future demonstrations.